rookie setter from UP, number 15, Bea Boniface. PBL 4-time best opposite spiker, 2-time best spiker, 1-time best outside hitter, 2-time PBL most valuable player from UP, jersey 18, Tex Pius. 2024 PBL Reinforced Conference MVP and Finals MVP from FEU, number 19, Bernadette Pons. 5-time best outside spiker, 2019 PBL Open Conference MVP, 2024 PBL All Filipino Conference Finals MVP from Anderson University, number 23, Gemma Calanza. Woo, that was loud. Raised by Filipino parents in Toronto, Canada, makes her mark in the inaugural PBL draft last July. First Creamline Pool Smashers draft pick, the outside hitter, libero from Brock University, 24, Alea Torres. I don't, that's on my script. Sorry. International, Charlene Anasha. Charlene Anasha, everyone give it up. Ara Huerta. From Edmonton, Jolo. And Erich Francisco. Coaches Sherman Manassas and Coach Mark Karen. Thank you, Ref Dale. Also our linesman, Mike the Pick.
There you go. Stop. Woo! Stop. Ayan na! Ayan na! Natakot. Okay, score! 6-2. Come on, ladies! Kaya pag naman set 5. Ah! Woo! What a shot by number 8. The pride of Outlook. Taga-Outlook mo yan. Nasaan mo taga-Outlook? Ayun sila, mga taga-Outlook. Mga taga-Outlook yan. Nag-drive pa ng 2 oras. Thank you, Outlook community. Our score is 6-3. There you go. Go Francis! Ah, wala po. Huwag ganoon. Sayang score. Ayan na, jersey number 19. Bernadette Pons, there you go. Oh. DJ, stop. Ayan na po. Ayan na si Calanza. That's my idol. That's my idol, Gemma Calanza. Galing ka, idol. Saba, idol. Galing, idol. House Kitchen. Wake up, guys, ladies. Score, 9-3. Okay, get ready, House Kitchen. Ayan na. Ayan na si Bernadette Pons. Ayan na. Oy! Jom, what's that, Jom? What is that? Anong sinyas yan? Ha? Okay, good. Good job. Bias ata yung lineman, ha? Enjoying. There you go, stop. Ayan na po si Jesus. Ayan na si Carlos. Good job. Let's go, House Kitchen. Let's go, guys. Don't be shy. Pakita yung lakas nyo kung sino kayo. Pakita nyo sino kayo. 9-5. Taga saan po na? Ayan na. Oy! Para nagpapatay. matalo ang kitchen halata. Bigay laro mukhang halata Nalalamay kayo Nalalamay kayo Tumaya, pagkakalas mo. Okay. Ay na po! Ang lalim mo, first line. Parang lumilipad na kalapati Joe, alam ka na, nantok ka pre Natulog ka. Let's thank you our sponsors, Dusty Chan and PBDC. Thank you so much, our sponsors. Okay? Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! Ayan na, watch out! Nagugulan ka, nakakasal ka. Okay, ano po ang ating bawat players? Ano po? Pumalo! Out daw! Out! Wala ka naman! Hindi ko na nakita! Out na agad! Grabe ka naman dyan! Maayos ka! Score! 7-11! Di pa tumatagod ng bola. Wait guys, wait! Who's the coach? Listen to your coach! Listen, be comfortable. Bigyan mo naman kami ng naglalaro. Yung mga 10 minutes na hindi dulatin mo lang. Ayun na di aming idol, Jeremy Lanza! Let's go, what's the time? Ayan na. Hindi ka sinisulat naman. Nakikita ka. 9-2. Humahabol po ang ating mga players. Humahabol po. Nag-isip po sila. Ang pinakaya ng asking dyan Duelo. Pagkatalo kayo, wala kayo kayo mamaya. Wala nyo panalo guys. Diretso tayo ngayon mga sa asitya. Ready na yung Duelo. Inubulan ko kasi. Twenty-one ten, 9-14, 5 points lead by Coach Masters. Very low. Romano. Sinet. Romano sa kanan. There you go. Passing. Double dribble. Sorry, lumipas. Asano? Ayan na, lumipas na! Grabe yung tagapag. Parang lumipas na namin. Ang taas. Ang bata yun. Parang tingnan, parang plastic na. Oh, the pride of Cebu daw. Ang pinsan ni Jong, taga Cebu. Protente. Okay. Good. Good. One more. Ayan. Guys, after the game, meron po tayong chiropractor may mga nagpamassage. Sa mga gusto mo, after the game, may pamassage po kayo. Direct billing po yun. Kung napila yung kamay, mahihilot ang kontaling nyo. Ayan na. Luksak. Ayan na. Kita praising na. Ano ba ang gano'n? Ano ang gano'n? Out. Si Jen, lagi na lang ang score nyo. Lagi out. 11 na out ang score nyo. Mag-start naman kayo, guys. 11 na out. There you go. Lumipad na. Ayan na. Nakachamba yung mga goal. Galing yun guys, pakita yung box nyo, huwag kayo mahirap. Huwag kayo mahirap guys. Yan. What's that? Double people? Double ka, double. You know basketball. You know basketball. Let's go. There. Alright. Touch that. Huli. Touch the net. Nahiya pa sila. Nagkakahiya na. Wala niyo ang Chen. Ilan ang gusto niyo? Touch net sa outside eh. Yeah, I get it. Merry Christmas po. Hindi touch net yun ha.